So we're here at Maverick gas station or truck stop. Let's go in. This is a brand new one. Ah, prices are holy moly. Sunflower seeds, different types, dill pickles. Wonder if anybody's ever tasted that dill pickle. Huh? Yuck! Look at that. And you know what? I've heard that they've had some. They say they got decent food here, but I seriously doubt that. But holy moly, look at this. Candies are expensive. $4 for candy. These are for the big ones, king size. $4. Oh my goodness. $4 for two of them, just because they're king size. You gotta be out of your damn mind. Look at that. $6.19 for 6 cups. That's crazy. And highway robbery. Sour heads, $4.50. You're always going to pay more at these gas stations. They do have a deli here. They do have food here. Let's see. Beef burritos, $7.29. Let's see, what are these? Sausage egg, $4.99. It's not getting any cheaper, folks. Prices just keep going up. They got $5 hot dogs here. Man, I have never in my life eaten one of these open like this. I'm not a big hot dog fan unless my wife makes them pretty much, but you're looking at $5. Oh boy, that's just ridiculous. And then you can come over here and put all the trimmings you want on it. They got the two different sauces. They got chili there. They got chili verde. Mm, They got, I don't know, what is that? Pico? Whatever it is, I don't know. And then they got your relish. They got all your things here. Cheese. That cheese looks gross. Look at that. That's all dried up. Onion, peppers. Check out this. I don't even know. This is like a shake machine. Oh, no, yeah, I don't know. It is what it is. I guess if you eat that stuff, you know what it is. And then they got a variety of sodas. I do not drink sodas. I don't drink any of these juices here. I don't drink any of this stuff. This stuff's just bad for you. And then they got these donuts over here. Look at that. These donuts look really good. You know what? Man, that brings back some memories. I haven't seen those in a long time. I might as well get one of those. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna grab one of these bear claws here, guys. Looks good. That's it. Gotta get that box. And my wife wants one of these, so get her one of these. Let's get some coffee here. Can you pull that for me? Thank you. All right. So this is the different coffees they got here, guys. And of course, all three machines are the same. We'll see. Let's try this original cappuccino. Yeah, I don't know how good this is gonna be, but okay, so let me just tell you, I rarely drink these things, but since I'm here and I'm on the road, I am on the road, I am going to try one. Let's bring it over here. And nah, no sugar. Okay, we got the lid on it. All right, let's go pay for this. Wow. Ooh, look at that. They got pizza. They got pineapple. So at this gas station, look guys, they got self-checkout. Self-checkouts, two of them. And then of course you got the counter that you can go through, that we're getting ready to go through to use a human being. So that's everything we bought. And the total was $9. And that's the end of that, folks. Got my coffee here. Let's give it a taste. Mmm. Actually tastes pretty good when you're thirsty. Alright folks, well I hope you enjoyed my little skit there. I gotta get back on the road. I'm headed home and see you on the next one.